Welcome back to Lochs on Location, or hi if you're new here. Today we're diving into the magic at Disneyland Paris Studios. It's another rainy day, but we're making the most of it, riding Ratatouille and Slinky Dog, grabbing bites in Pim's Café and exploring the Marvel area, plus catching Mickey the Magician. Let's dive into the magic.
Morning everyone, so we're back again to the parks and it's raining again. But one thing you can't control is the weather. So we're going off to do the studios this time, aren't we? So we're just got to get in. We won't go and do the Lion King, Ratatouille, and some more rides, have some more fun.
Not landscape, we're going to see some shows in here. Lion King's the other part. There's no Ratatouille. And Mickey the Magician, I think.
Ooh, Mickey the Magician. So another day of fun. Come and join us. Right, here we go. Well, that main building's shut down.
Yeah, it's shut down, so... I wonder if that... I think Frozen's coming in this part.
You think Frozen's coming here? I think we said it before that they're doing a lot of work, and I think there's going to be new rides, and there's Ratatouille. So that looks like that's boarded up as well. It's still very busy.
It's very busy for a wet day.
We're just, I mean, at the moment we've come in and this is literally it. You just walk along with boards everywhere up. We haven't actually got to an open part of the park yet. It should be, hopefully, around this corner. So we're just coming into the French section. We're going to get our name down for a Ratatouille ride. See how long that's going to take. Maybe try and do a show in between that, I'm not sure. But we'll see how we go on. So here we go. So Ratatouille was here first. And it is an awesome ride. So there we are, French section. And what you got here again, like the other park, you got these little stalls with different foods, or drinks and sweets. So in the French section a bit, we're just waiting to get on Ratatouille. Just wanted to sort of show you the fountain where you see the little mices and the bottles. I just thought this was a better view so you can see the different little food stalls and bits where you can get things. And just it's still busy. Not with the goes for it, but there's Ratatouille there. We're going to go on. I'm just going to go over now to the souvenir shop and have a little mooch around and see what there is in there. So we're in the souvenir shop now, and as usual, caps and t-shirts. I mean, that t-shirt is 36 euros. I'm trying to see, let's have a look and see if I can get a price on that. So that cap there is pretty cute. That's 20 euros. It's obviously all themed Ratatouille. Oh, look at these cuddly toys. Look at this one here. Can you see that one there? How cute is that? And that's 30 euros. Oh, I found them. I'm looking at buying new ears by the look of it. How much are they then? What? How much are they then? Lovely, yes. It's got a little... It's lovely, yeah. How much?
25.
25? P. That's good. Get 20 of them. Some really good stuff. Okay, let's have a look at this sort of sweat top here. That's €70 for stitched sweat top. I think that's a little bit, especially when we've just seen a t-shirt for 30 and then suddenly a sweat top that goes up to 70. They're pretty cute. That's a good one though. Paris with Mickey. That one's €30. And budding chefs. There's an apron for you. €25. Cool. Right, so that gives you a bit of an idea of all the stuff that you can get. Hope you found that useful.
Eh bien, vous ne pouviez pas me tromper. Tout le monde sait que la meilleure cuisine du monde se déguste ici à Paris. Et ce soir, Rémi, le plus grand cuisinier, pour le dîner.
Yes, what here? Hein? Pour le repas idéal, coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple.
Voilà.
Mais oui, that's it!
Restez à la traîne, ne verrez jamais ce qui vous attend.
See in the background there, New rides, new areas. So what are we on?
Slinky.
Slinky, the French version of Slinky.
The French version, the original version of Slinky.
The original, yeah.
And then yeah, it's the original. Then the Americans took it and butched it up, bigged it up.
Pushed it up.
Yeah, Americanized it. Yeah.
Let's be honest, all the rides we go on, we just have giggles.
Just giggles.
We
Yeah,
just have
this
giggles
is
and
just
just
going to be
laugh.
so baby. So if you're expecting anything like the American version, you're not going to get it. This is definitely a kids ride.
Yeah, we're going to...
Scarlett loved it when she was 4. Loved it. She wanted to go on it. Kids love this ride.
We're off! Slinky Dog! Mommy's going to get squashed! Yay! Slinky Dog! Hey, look! They're going crazy! It's going faster! Faster! Oh! Oh my god, I feel sick! I don't feel sick.
She's sitting on me.
Squash her! See, fun ride, as we say, always laugh. No matter what it is. Right guys, we're just coming into the Avengers campus. And as we come on down, you'll see the building on the left hand side. That's where we're going to have lunch. We've got a reservation at 12:45.
Called Him Kitchen.
Him Kitchen. Well, we'll see the entrance as we go down. We're just going to have a bit of a wander around because we've got a little bit of time before lunch. And see what else there is. Oh, Spider-Man! We're going to have to do Spider-Man, aren't we? This is not raining.
Starts skiing at 2, is it?
Yeah, 1, 2 o'clock starts, and then it's and then it's going to be heavy. There you go. It is what it is.
70 minutes.
The characters come out and all. So there's Iron Man. They just come out and wave to the crowd and all. And sometimes they put on a little display or a little show. It's pretty cool.
Allez mon frère, approche Lochs, ne sois pas timide, don't be shy.
Oh please, I'm just not as enthusiastic when meeting your short-sighted followers.
Ne sois pas
So this is the entrance. We're just queuing up now to go into the restaurant for lunch.
This is Pim's Kitchen. So yeah, if you can make it here, I would come. I think it's worth it. It's a serve yourself buffet, and it's just a cute thing.
So it's a little show that they do.
C'est pas gentil. Allez, reposez-moi ça, s'il vous plaît. Ok, devoir m'appelle, je vais m'occuper d'eux.
She is full of the crazy, beautiful things. Ciao! Au revoir les amis! Arrivederci!
I have just the magic words to help you. J'ai la formule magique qu'il te faut. C'est le gâteau, la mechigabo, la bibidi-babidi-bou. Mélangez tout ça et vous aurez tout. Bibidi-babidi-bou.
And Monsieur, the kitchen staff proudly request the honor of your company. Please accept our invitation and be our guest. Be our guest. Put our service to the test.
Okay, it's first thing in the morning, so this isn't a pleasant view, but oh well. Just wanted to say a couple of things. The room's an absolute mess, so I'm trying not to show you it. But also about the amount of characters in that park. Now, I don't know if that's because there's so much construction going on and so much areas hidden that they've put out extra characters. But especially in the Marvel area or the Avengers area, if you go there, you know, if you had kids that loved Marvel characters, they could spend ages there. They come out, they're up on the roofs, you see Spider-Man, you see all the Avengers, you see Lochs. It's great to see Star-Lord. They do a dance-off thing, and yeah, it's really good for characters. Plus, in the other parks, there's the traditional characters all the way around. Sorry, trying to get that light off my face. Which, if that's what you're into, is really brilliant. Trying to probably make up for the lack of ride. But anyway, yeah, so hopefully that's useful. Going for our final day in the park today. Just doing some mop-ups, some of the favourites we want to do. So Scarlett wants to do Crush. We are finished in Disneyland Paris, so we'll catch you later.